Hello, my lovely kids. In this session, we are going to solve these two pages. In number 5, we are going to complete the following tables. Here we add 1 to each number, and here we have to add 2, here we have to add 3. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. We go only one step forwards. 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 15 plus 1, 16. Here we have to add 2. So we put 15 in our head and 2 on our fingers. After 15, 16, 17. So we write here 17. And in the same way, we are going to complete this table. Here we have to add also 3. In number 6, we are going to count by 2 and complete. لما نشوف دايما count by this number, we have to raise 2. For example, here we have 2, you have to raise 2 fingers. تغرم نرفع 2 fingers and we start. From 6, we say after 6, 7, 8. طلع معنا ال 8. ال 8 هي مكتوبة فإذا بنكفي. We raise again the 2 fingers. After 8, 9, 10. So we write 10. And then continue. We raise again the 2 fingers. After 10, 11, 12. After 12, 13, 14. After 14, 15, 16. And here we are going to count by 3. So we raise 3 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So we write here 11. After 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, 15, 16, 17. Here we are going to count by 4 and here by 5. You have to complete them in the same way. Okay? In number 7, I want you to calculate the sums in the same way as we have learned before. In number 8, we are going to check the suitable boxes. راح نحط X عند البوكس يلي هو right. If the addition is 17, بنحط X عند ال 17. If it's 18, نحط X عند ال 18. We have 11 plus 7. 11 in my head and 7 on my hands. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. إذا بنحط ال X عند ال 18. Okay? Here we have 13 plus 4. We put 13 in my head and 4 on my fingers. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we put tick here. And in the same way, we are going to complete this addition and this table. In number 9, we are going to complete the sums to make 19. Here we have 19. So we make a box and start from 15 to reach 19. We say after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we can see 4 raised fingers, so we write here number 4. In the same way, we are going to complete these additions. And here also, we are going to write the number. Which number plus 4 is equal to 19? Okay, so we look here, since the answer here is 4, so we get 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. And here we have 4, so we can write here number 15, and we get the same addition, 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Okay, let's solve this for example. 12 plus how many is equal to 19? We make a box and start counting. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we get 7 raised fingers. We are going to write here number 7. So 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Here we have number 7. So we look here. شوفي عندي حد 7, 12. So I'm going to write here number 12. We get the same addition. 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Please complete this in the same way. In number 10, we are going to color the numbers with respect to the colored labels. We have here 17. We are going to find 17 in words and in addition form and color it with the same color. This is 17 in words, and this is 10 plus 7, which is equal to 17. So we are going to color them in this color, which is bright orange. Here we have 19. This is 19 in words, and 10 plus 9, we are going to color them in the same color. And in the same way, we have to find 18 in words and in addition form.